7th Standard, English, Term 2, Unit 1, Supplementary 1, Alice in Wonderland, Part 2. So, in the last class we have seen that Alice was shouting, I'm growing, and she is asking in which way she can go. So, the next part we are going to start today. That path leads to the Mad Hatter. The other way leads to Lee March Hare, she said, said a voice. Alice turned to find a smiling Cheshire cat in a tree. I'll see you later at the Queen's Croquet game, he said before disappearing. So, she is going in that path, she is seeing a Mad Hatter. Mad Hatter means madman. His name is Hatter. The other way leads to Lee March Hare. Lee March Hare means a hare, a rabbit. Said a voice. A voice is saying. A voice is telling. Alice turned to find a smiling Cheshire cat in a tree. Cheshire cat means a cat, normal cat. She is finding a cat on the tree. I'll see you later at the Queen's Croquet game, he said before disappearing. He is telling, we'll meet in the Queen's Croquet game. Means it is a game. So he is telling, we'll meet you in the Queen's Croquet game. Before going, he is telling and going. There was a table set out under a tree in front of the house, and the March Hare and the Hatter were having a tea at it. The Dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep, and the two were using it as a cushion, resting their elbows on it and talking over its head. Very uncomfortable for the Dormouse, thought Alice. Only as it's asleep, I suppose it does not mind. The table was a large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner of it. No room, no room, they cried out when they saw Alice coming. There's plenty of room, said Alice indignantly, and she sat down in a large armchair at one end of the table. Having some wine, the March Hare said in an encouraging tone. Alice looked all around the table, but there was nothing on it but tea. I don't see any wine, she remarked. There isn't any, said the March Hare. Then it wasn't a very evil of you to offer it, said Alice angrily. It wasn't very evil of you to sit down without being invited, said the March Hare. I didn't know it was your table, said Alice. It's late for a great many more than 3. There was a table set out under a tree in front of the house, and March Hare and the Hatter were having a tea at it. So, there was a table under the tree in front of the house. A house was there. In front of the house, under the table, under the tree, there was a table. In that, March Hare and the Hatter, and the rabbit and the Hatter was having a tea, sitting there and having a tea. The Dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep. Dormouse means a mouse, which is it is like a mice, very smaller than mice, which is the people keep this dormouse as a pet animal. It is a mice-like creature. A dormouse was sitting between them, fast asleep. It was sleeping, and the other two were using it as a cushion. So those who are sitting there, the March Hare and the Hatter, they both are using it as a cushion. So it is as it is sleeping there, they both are having the elbows on the Dormouse and using it as a cushion, resting their elbows on it and talking over its head. So keeping the hand on the Dormouse and talking. Very uncomfortable for the Dormouse, thought Alice. So Alice is thinking that it is very uncomfortable for the Dormouse because they are keeping their elbows on the Dormouse and they are continuously speaking. Only as it's asleep, I suppose it does not mind. So she is thinking that because it sleeps, it does not mind. If the Dormouse is awake, it will find some difficulty. The table was a large one, but the three were all crowded together at one corner of it. The table was very big only, but all the three together, Dormouse, Mad Hatter and the March Hare. So all the three are sitting together in one corner of it. No room, no room, they cried out when they saw Alice coming. So when Alice is coming by that way, they are shouting, there is no room, like that they are. There is plenty of room, said Alice indignantly, and she sat in a large armchair at one end of the table. So she is sitting at the she is shouting and telling there is more rooms are there, and she is telling and sitting at the one end of the table. Have some wine, the marsh has said in an encouraging tone. So the hare is telling, the rabbit is telling, you want some wine? Have it. Like that he is telling in an encouraging tone. Alice looked all around the table, but there was nothing on it but tea. She is looking all around the table. Where is the wine? There is nothing but only tea is there. She is looking all around the table and she is saying, I don't see any wine, she remarked. She is telling, I don't see any wine here, like that she is telling. There isn't any, said the March hare. He is telling, what? There is no wine, like that he is asking. Then it wasn't very evil of you to offer it, said Alice angrily. She is telling angrily, there is no wine, then how you are supposed to ask like this? How you are telling that if you want wine, like that you are asking? She is telling angrily. It wasn't very evil of you to sit down without any invited, said the March hare. We didn't invite you. Without the invitation, you are coming and sitting with us. Then it does not create a big issue, but you are thinking like this, he is telling. I didn't know it was your table, said Alice. Alice is telling, I don't know that it is your table. It's late for a great many more than 3. More people can sit there because it is a very big table. So she is telling, I don't know that it is your table. I thought, since it is a big table, I thought more can sit here. So I sat here, she is telling. You may stay if you answer my riddle. So the hare is telling, said the mad hare. Shouted the Mad Hatter. Mad Hatter is telling, if you want to sit here, you can sit. But if you want to sit here means you have to answer my riddle, he is asking. Where is raven like? Why is a raven like a writing desk? Raven means it is also a crow. In Tamil it is Andankaka. So why is a raven like a writing desk? Writing desk means it is a blackboard. It is meant as a blackboard. So he is asking, why is a raven like a writing desk? Alice felt dreadfully puzzled. She is thinking, what is this? What is the answer? She don't know. Hatter's riddle seemed to have no sort of meaning in it, and yet it was certainly English. She is thinking that this Mad Hatter's riddle does not have any meaning. There is no answer. She is thinking like that. I don't quite understand you, she said, as politely as she could. She is telling politely, I cannot understand your question. Is this a riddle? She is asking. Have you guessed the riddle yet? Mad Hatter said. He is asking, can you guess the riddle? Can you, if you have got the answer? He is asking. No, I give up. Alice replied. No, I don't know the answer. She is telling. Alice is telling. What's the answer? I haven't slightest idea, said the Hatter. He is telling, I have a slight idea. Nor I, said the March hare. Hare also is telling, no, I also don't have an idea. Alice lightly said wearily, I think you might do something better with the time, she said. She is telling, with this time you can do some other thing better. The stupid things why people are doing like that, she is thinking. Then waste it is asking the riddles have no answers. Without the answers, without the riddle, without the answers, why you people are asking and making us like this, she is asking. And she continued her walk. She said, and she started to continue her walk, and she is moving. Suddenly, she found herself in the middle of a field where the queens of hearts were playing croquet. So, the playing of cards is called as a croquet. It is a game. It is the name of a game, croquet. So when she fought with these people and she is moving on, suddenly she found herself in the middle of a field. In a field, she is thinking that she is standing in the middle of the field, and she is seeing there the Queen of Hearts were playing croquet. So the Queen of Hearts were playing the croquet. Her gods and gardeners were shaped like cars. Her gods and gardeners means the people who were working there. Gardeners, gods, they are also shaped like a card. One gardener had planted white roses by mistake and then painted them red. So one gardener has planted white roses, but the Queen of Hearts does not like paint roses does not like white roses, so by mistake he has planted the white roses, and then now he has started to paint them in red. Off with their heads, shrieked the queen. I hate white roses. The queen is telling, cut off the heads. Like that, she shrieked means shouting. She got tension and she started to shout. I hate white roses. She is telling, I hate white roses. Just cut off their heads. Off with their heads means cut off their heads. Then she noticed Alice and asked her, have you ever played croquet? She is asking. She saw Alice was going there and she is asking Alice, have you ever played croquet? Yes, Alice timidly answered. She is eagerly answering that, yes, I have played croquet. But I have never used a flamingo or hedgehog. She is telling, but I have never used flamingo means it is a type of a bird. In Tamil it is called as narai. So she is telling, but I have never used a flamingo or hedgehog. Play with me, ordered the queen. The queen is ordering her, okay, if you know everything, no, come, let's play. And let me win or I'll have your heads. If you come and play with me and win, or else I'll take off your head, she is telling. Alice tried her best to play well, but she had trouble with her flamingo. She tried well with, she has more tried to play with this croquet game. She has tried to play, but with the flamingo she has some trouble. Off with the head, off with her head, cried the queen. The queen is telling, cut off the head. Just then, a trumpet sounded in the distance calling court to session. She is telling to her to cut the head, and she heard a trumpet sounded in the distance calling the court to session. So, there is a sound. It is the court is going to begin, court session is going to begin. So, a trumpet sound is coming. The court is going to begin, like that it is telling. Everyone rushed into the courtroom. Court is now in session, announced the White Rabbit. So everyone is rushing and going to the courtroom. The court is now in session. The rabbit is telling, White Rabbit is telling, the court now is in session. It is going to begin now, like that he is telling. Will Alice please come to the stand? So they are telling, Alice, can you come and stand in the place? They are telling. Alice took the stand and looked at the jury box. Jury box means where the judges will be sitting. So Alice took the stand and looked at the jury box. She came and stand in the where the people have to stand and answer. One small wooden thing will be there. They stand and answer. So she is coming and getting her place, and she is looking at the jury box means she is looking at the judges. Where the March Hare and the Mad Hatter were making noise. Behind her the March Hare and the Mad Hatter both were standing and making noise. The Dormouse slept and the Cheshire Cat smiled at her. The Dormouse again slept. Before also he was sleeping. Now also he is sleeping. Cheshire Cat smiled at her. The cat was seeing her and smiling. What's going on? Asked Alice. Alice asking, what is going on here? She is asking. You are guilty of stealing delicious heart-shaped tarts. Accused the queen. The queen is telling, you have stolen the heart-shaped tarts. Tarts means some food items. Heart-shaped, one kind of food items. She is telling that you have stolen the tarts and now you must be punished. She is telling you have stolen the heart, so you must be punished. Off with her head. Again she is telling, cut off the head. Off with her head. Cut off the head. Yelled the queen means she got tension and she is shouting. How silly, replied Alice. What I have done? Like that she is replying. I didn't have the slightest idea what you were talking about. I was only playing croquet. She is telling, what you are telling? I didn't see anything, I didn't take anything, I didn't do anything. Just I was playing croquet, she is telling. Alice felt someone touch her shoulder. Wake up. So Alice is feeling someone is touching her shoulder and telling, wake up. You have been sleeping for too long, said her sister softly. So her sister is telling, wake up Alice, you are sleeping for so much time, so long you are sleeping, like that she is telling softly. I had a strange dream, said Alice. So all these were Alice's dream. She was sleeping and having a dream. I had a strange dream. She is telling, I had a very strange dream I was having. She told her sister about the white rabbit and the mad tea party and the queen of hearts and the trial. So first she was seeing the white rabbit and the mad tea party. In the tea party only she was seeing the uh, mad hatter, mad hare and the dormouse and the cherish cat. Everything she was seeing, and the queen of hearts. In the queen of hearts she was seeing the queen, and the trial means the court, everything, court scene, everything. She is telling about all these things, but her sister wasn't paying attention, but she did not listen anything what she was telling. You are reading again, mumbled Alice. Alice is telling, again you started to read, she is telling. She was thinking, she was mumbling in her mouth. As she touched, Alice saw a little white rabbit with pink eyes scurry behind a tree. Again she is, after waking up, she is stretching her hands, and again she is seeing a white rabbit with pink eyes behind the tree, which is seeing at the Alice. Okay children, I think you have understood everything. Thank you.